It's not just hands-on learning here at the Rescue Squad grounds in Powhatan, it's feet on the farm learning.
You want to pet them?
Yeah.
The classroom is rather big for these students today.
We want them interested. Third graders are not going to sit and just listen for hours and hours.
These elementary school kids in Powhatan County are learning about agriculture and more on Farm Day.
I've learned so far that the type of grass that they're eating, it tastes like chocolate to them.
It tastes like what?
Chocolate to them, like really good.
This collaboration between the Virginia Cooperative Extension and Powhatan County Public School teaches kids about growing crops, raising dairy cows, forestry, soil management, and more.
What agriculture is, why are our farmers and our producers so important to our everyday life? They're going to learn where their food comes from.
I think I really like how many animals they are because I really love animals.
While parts of Powhatan are considered rural, many of these students have never had the opportunity to learn what happens on a farm and how what happens here helps them at home every day.
We're trying to bring some technology, some science into it. We've got the basics. We're making butter from whipping cream, just so they see how the butter's made. Then living in Powhatan.
And you can learn more about what the Virginia Cooperative Extension is doing with local schools by checking out their website. In Powhatan, Rob Cardwell, CBS 6 News.